Hello everyone and welcome to this video. And today we will learn how to install GitHub Desktop on your Windows machine. Now go to your favorite browser and search for the GitHub Desktop, AMD. Click on the first link that is shown. From here click on the download for Windows 64-bit and save it in your machine. And once the download is complete click to Show in Folder. Once you click to open the downloaded file, it will give you two options. One is to create a new account or sign in with your authorized GitHub account. As I already have an account, I will just log in with that GitHub account. Follow the prompts to configure GitHub Desktop with your preferences and settings. Once configured, you can use GitHub Desktop to manage your repositories, clone repositories, and work with Git version control. After finishing with the sign-in, we can see the repositories list here. GitHub Desktop has been successfully installed on Windows, allowing for easier management of GitHub repositories through a graphical user interface. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy and healthy everyone.